Hi everybody. Today we're gonna be playing Tower of Heck because why not? Oh, we have the up. What the frick is that sound? Okay, the new update in Roblox is like the weirdest update ever. So, yeah. Okay, so oh my god, let's try to get that. Sorry. Oh my god. Comment down below what is your favorite game. Not really Bloxburg, actually. The world of Roblox. Stop going to Panda. Why did somebody say stop going to Panda Express? This is gonna be very hard. No. I hope this is I hope I make this one, guys. Wish me luck on the obbies. I'll put the music on right now. Okay. Sit and watch. Nobody. I don't want to sit. Okay, I'll watch. I mean, if I get copyrighted TikTok, just YouTube, I'm suing you. I'm suing you. Sorry if you hear me breathing. I should actually. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me talk right now? So I don't know if you guys can hear me talk because I feel like I'm copywriting right now. It's getting copyrighted, not at the same time. Okay, perfect though. I can talk without actually holding it because I have to do it with one hand. But I think you guys can hear me, right? Oh my god, I keep on freaking falling! Literally gonna be so mad. I'm like a master LOL. No, nobody said that. Nobody will. Because you are not a master. Just like me though, just like me. So sister for life, right? What the heck? Why did I say that? Okay, so I mean, maybe she is. I should stop judging. It's rude. I'm being so rude. No, it's not. Okay, I'm not gonna get that angry because it's not that hard. I mean, it's hard, but I didn't keep on falling. Okay, if I fall one more time, I'm literally gonna kill myself. So you better make it clear, Roblox. Oh my, I almost fell there. You want me to kill myself? Oh. I'm not trying to risk my life. No! Okay, goodbye, y'all. I'm out of here. I'm not good at Tower of Heck. This is just bad. I'm bad at Tower of Heck. But I'm actually not gonna kill myself because I mean, I want to have a good life, so I'm not gonna kill myself. You know, when people say I'm literally gonna kill myself if I whatever, they're literally just being sarcastic. So they're not actually gonna kill themselves. So don't be worried. I'm just saying I was being sarcastic. Oh my god, I might make it. If I make it, I'm gonna literally be so happy. Okay, if I fall here, I'm gonna be so mad because literally I haven't been this far so long. Okay, now this is the risk of my life. What? Oh. No! I'm really so mad right now. Oh, never mind. literally saying, what's your channel? What's your channel? Literally, what's your... Are you vlogging? No, I'm vlogging though. I am vlogging. Point vlogging. I'm vlogging. No, I'm vlogging, Miss Misa. What did I say, Miss Misa? Don't do anything, guys. Oh god. Yes, I'm getting good at this game. Every second I jump. Where? How the frick did you get up there? That is confusing right there. You just... No! What the name in YouTube? What your name in YouTube? Well, I'm officially done. I do not have a mic, and I'm a very bad vlogger, YouTuber, but that's okay because I am trying my best to play this tower of hEcK because it's very funny, and I look so weird. I look so weird. Wait, I'm 96? Oh my lord! Oh my god. I have that many points? I didn't even know that. Rena, I do not want to watch Peppa Pig. I don't like Peppa Pig anymore, you know? Even though I used to watch it. No! You're really saying you don't like me because I don't watch Peppa Pig? Go watch Peppa Pig with my brother. My brother likes Peppa Pig more than I do. And I kind of like Peppa Pig. Oh no, I'm exposing my secret of me watching Peppa Pig when I was like 9. Well, I'm still 9. Or like, yeah, when I was 9. I feel a year ago. Because it's 2020 now. I used to watch Peppa Pig in 2019. I think. What's name? Oh guys, I officially, wow. Wow. I died at first try. Oh my god, I hate when I get there. Like, it's so annoying. Faster, please. Faster. Faster. Fast. Ah! This stage is on pro. This stage is on... I have no clue what she said because I think she's speaking gibberish. I don't know why I'm so encouraging. Are you Filipino? No, I am not Filipino. Because I am not Filipino. So you guys know the Amatobasita dance my cousin's watching? I actually figured out that it's very bad. Actually, it's Spanish, so I don't really know what it means. So. You know, it's not letting me say it, but I have to vlog. I have to blog. You have to blog? That's kind of weird name. Oh my god. Morning, Ramba. What the heck? Why did you just say it? Well, my life has been ruined 2 seconds ago when I just died. If no one know, if like somebody doesn't know Roblox, you're just like, oh my god, I just died, and then they're like, wait, you're still alive, and I'm like, no, I'm talking about this game, and I was like, what? And they're like, what? Well, why would they do that in the first place? But yeah, you guys predict your conversations, like, do you? Because that's me. Like, I predict my conversations all the time. I'm just like, I feel like I'm going to have that conversation or somebody's going to say that and they don't. So, like, I don't really care. But still, I do. Do you predict your conversations? Comment down below if you do. Yes or no. I'm on my dad's phone right now. No! Someone please buy vlog. I really hate all of them. Why? Because you all did the same thing. Oh my. Who is it? Who did it? Me. Yes, all of you. I didn't say a particular person because you are not. Well, I haven't been talking for a long time. Actually, no, 2 minutes. And this guy is asking, why do you hate me? Personal. Personal reasons. Okay. Guys, make sure to subscribe if you want. If you want more Tower of Heck and more games like this. And if you want me to play more Roblox, because why not? Because I do gacha, but I do Roblox. Like I said, personal reasons. Personal reasons, okay. Yay! Okay. So I'm just gonna buy something and I'm gonna make Should I buy it? Wait, I can't buy it. That was for my points. Sad. Okay, whatever. Let's just get on with this Tower of Heck. No, I'm leaving. Thank you guys for watching this video. Actually, no. We're actually gonna do more. We're do like one more. A couple more, I mean. And if I die one more time, I'm gonna be so mad. Like legit, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm okay, he just said bye, and I was like, bye, nobody wants you here. High speed. What is high speed? Okay, so hello, are you a baby that doesn't know how to speak English, you idiot? Just so you know, guys, I died like 200 times and I have 96 points. And what do you even do with this points? Speed makes it so easy. But I'm still. You know, we have 23 seconds. What's the point now? Because look, I don't even have a chance to make it to a second level because I keep on dying and I only have 50 seconds left. So what's the point? I can't. None. I'm sorry to get out here. I died. You know when that happens, it just kills me a lot. I really hate the sounds, and if I get copyrighted, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm really gonna fall now for being so stupid. I'm done. Nope. I'm done. Nope. Bye, guys. Goodbye. Bye, guys. Goodbye. I will die now. Okay, bye.